Presenting Tron Smart Contract. Launched in June 2018, Tron is a blockchain-based smart contract platform for powering decentralized applications, or DApps, competing with similar platforms such as Ethereum, Tezos, Cardano, and EOS. The blockchain is secured through a delegated proof-of-stake system that sacrifices some degree of decentralization for speed and efficiency. The network is powered by its native protocol token, TRX, which is used for payments, miner rewards, and voting. The Tron long-term roadmap consists of 6 phases that consecutively roll out new initiatives to provide P2P file sharing, content creation, crowdfunding, and gaming. While most of Tron's network activity is currently driven by gaming and gambling DApps, Sun's strategic acquisitions clearly slot themselves within the roadmap, perhaps with the intention of accelerating development and adoption without building from nothing. Follow us on Facebook to get to know more about the Tron smart contract and the exciting financial opportunities provided by Tron.